Up, down, up, down. It's not a standing desk, so yeah, it's what I can do. But if you want a standing desk, let's check out the NextDesk. So standing desks aren't anything new. We've heard about them for years, and many companies have started to adopt this for their own employees. And you can actually go out and buy your own standing desks from many companies, including IKEA, for around $400, $500. But if you want a premium standing desk, one with an aluminum frame and bamboo wood top and awesome other appendages and things and just a really good looking desk, NextDesk, which is hard to say by the way, makes a really awesome line of different desks that you can choose from. There's the Terra, there's the Air, there's one called the L Curve, and there's even one just called the Solo, which is for, well, just Han Solo. What sets NextDesks apart from other standing desks is that it has an electronic actuator that can actually raise a desk from 24 to 50.5 inches in about 1.7 inches per second. So that's pretty fast, but not too fast that it would rummage and knock over stuff on your desk like a cup of coffee or anything else. And it raises fairly high even if you're very tall, or it has about over 200 different levels that you can choose from at your own will. And what's nice too is you can determine which level is your preference based off of the LED that would be on the side of your desk. There's a number. It's kind of an arbitrary number, but basically it will just tell you what percentage or what level it's at, and you say, oh, 55, that's a good level for me, and I will remember that for next time. With NextDesk, you have a number of not only different desk formations to choose from, but also different materials. So case in point, when you go and build your desk, your bamboo finish can be either light, medium, or dark. Your aluminum frame can either be jet black gloss, alpine white, silver matte. I mean, these different colors will cost you more money, but again, NextDesk is like the Apple of standing desk. I mean, that's the best way that I can describe it. There's a lot of different standing desks out there, but if you want what they claim to be the best of the best, you would be willing to pay the premium. Other add-ons that you can choose from include an artisan bar, a NextSpace keyboard platform. It's one of those things where you pull the keyboard out under from the desk. And then also something that I really like, power management, but more importantly, a built-in Harman Kardon sound system. Now, this is the integrated sound system. You might have seen it even in the Apple Store. They have them at Fry's. I actually got mine from Radio Shack from back in the day. The way that they integrated into the NextDesk is they actually put the subwoofer built in underneath the desk. So the bass is coming from down below and all the mids and highs are coming from your two tweeters, which is cool. I mean, I like that integration. And although you can buy the speakers yourselves somewhere else for much cheaper, it's one of those things. Do you want to take the time to integrate it and deal with all the cable management and things like that yourself, or do you just want them to do it for you? So if you're building this, like I mentioned, this is a premium product. So take, for example, the Terra. The Terra is going to cost you at least $1,400, a little bit more than that, $1,497. And you can actually pay off monthly if you're approved. But even so, you're going to be putting in quite a bit of money into this desk. So you also have 30 days to make sure that you're happy with it. But you have a lot of options, and what's nice is on their website, they give you live mock-ups of what it will look like before you even press the buy button. One of the other perks you can buy is the NextDesk Pulse. Now, this is software. It's applicable to both Windows and Mac, and on your computer, you can actually see some analytics of you using the standing desk, how many times you've stood up and how many times you've lowered it, and how, based off of that and some of the other data points that they can get from you, it would basically just just like a smart band would, tell you, hey, how many calories you've burned, and you can take all that information and deduce, maybe I should stand more, or maybe I should stand less, or maybe I'm standing just enough. Studies show with standing desks, overall happiness and even calories burned, weight loss can actually be attributed to using standing desks. So I have yet to personally use a standing desk. I have a desk and then I have a countertop over there. And sometimes I will use the countertop, but most of the time I'm just used to sitting down. And I'm not old, but my knees are starting to give a little way. But if I stand, they don't give me that much trouble. So I might get a standing desk, and I might even consider the NextDesk. The only thing is, for me, I'm a little limited because this desk is built into the house. Can't really remove it without making a mess and somebody else very unhappy. Anyway, so that's the NextDesk, and that's their line. They have a lot of different desks that you can choose from, a bunch of customization options. Let us know if this is something that you've been looking into, or if you even heard or you have a NextDesk. Let us know how you like it, and we'd love to hear from you guys. Leave it in the comment section below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we will talk to you guys in the next one. Late. NextDesk, 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 NextDesk.